So it's BOGO time again, meaning buy one, get one free. And this comes 1, 2, 3 times a year from doTERRA. And I love that this is kind of pre-Black Friday sales. And this is a great time to be able to stock up on oils, products that you might already be using if you have a doTERRA account, or they might be things that you want to give a try and pretty much paying half the price for a lot of amazing products. So these are the goodies. And so I will just kind of go through each of them quickly. So if you buy Roman chamomile, you get vanilla for free. And why I love both of these, Roman chamomile is kind of my go-to for hormone balance. And I love mixing Roman chamomile, a couple drops, with frankincense and bergamot. And I'll actually put it in a veggie cap and just take it as a pill. This is great if you are dealing with changes in your cycles, PMS, hormone imbalance, low mood. It's been my go-to for the past probably 13 years. So Roman chamomile is very calming. So if you need help with sleep at night, it's great. Very gentle for kids if you have younger ones or older parents. So this is a great one to diffuse. You can take it internally, you can put it on topically, and then you get vanilla for free. And you'll see below I have all of the things listed, or you can click on the page that has all of the kind of ins and outs, top uses for each of these, so you don't have to remember all that. And there will be an ebook as well that will go with all of the different BOGO buys. So then vanilla, one of my favorite uses for vanilla is flavoring. I love putting it with my apples. I'll cut up apples and I will put some vanilla in there, but it's also great for calming, it's an aphrodisiac, and so you can kind of list those things there, but it is phenomenal and just very potent. So a drop or even sticking the toothpick in the top of that and then swirling that in the things that you're making is awesome. Okay, now another one that we have is buy lavender, get peppermint for free. Lavender is one of those top 10 oils. It's calming. It's great for calming your skin. So if you have skin irritations, if you have allergies, it's calming, has natural antihistamines in there. Calming to your mood, to your brain, helps it to kind of shut down. So all things calming. Peppermint is more of like the invigorating, pump you up, get you going, focus, open your airways, great for digestive things. Again, I will post everything below. So these two are top 10 oils. These are great just having, like, stocking up. So you might already have them on hand. This is a great time to be able to stock up for a really good discount. And then On Guard is doTERRA's #1 essential oil that people purchase. This is a protective blend. This is the one that will help boost your immune system, to help to do things when you can tell something's coming on, and instead of just kind of waiting it out and see if things get worse. There's actually things that you can do with On Guard. So you can diffuse it, you can take it internally, put a couple drops in some water, gargle it if you have that throat thing coming on, rub it on the bottom of your feet. All bodies can use this, right? Then Breathe is your respiratory blend. So this is opening your airways. I have several people around me who have like that stuffy nose, congestion, runny nose, things going on there. So this is a great one. Put it into your diffuser, have it diffusing. You can rub it over the bridge of your nose. It just really helps to open those airways and have kind of an option to use. Okay, adaptive capsules. So if you buy adaptive, then you get balance for free. So this is kind of a mood selection. So our adaptive capsules are a calming blend, but thinking if you're dealing with those anxious feelings. So the worry, the stress, those feelings of anxiousness that you might have, or someone that you know has, this is great. Just take that capsule and it helps your brain to shift into that logical mode instead of fear of the unknown. So really great there. And then balance is very grounding. So if you feel kind of those highs and lows, or if there's somebody in your life that has that, that is one that you can use. It is used topically and aromatically, so not internally. So put it in your diffuser, put a couple of drops on your wrist and breathe it. Put it on your pillow before you go to bed. On the bottom of your feet is a great way to use that as well. And then you can get Copaiba. If you buy Copaiba, you get the On Guard soft gels for free. So Copaiba, two things that I love about Copaiba. Copaiba is amazing for discomfort. So maybe with nervous system, with nerves, with your joints, muscles, aches and pains, those occasional things that you deal with that will, maybe your back, overuse of things as you're aging, you have those aches and pains. For me, specifically, peripheral for my nervous system, right? For my feet, my legs, taking the capsule has been phenomenal. And then the On Guard soft gels is an up level from On Guard. It has black pepper, melissa, and oregano in there. And so this is specifically used when you start feeling something coming on. So On Guard can be used, the oil, anytime, all the time, preventatively. And then On Guard soft gels you use for a period of time when you feel something coming on or you got something on, right? So it's 6 season. We know things are going around. So this is a great way to help support your body, your immune system with that. So these are the oils that you can get. You can just purchase one of them. If you're like, hey, I want to get lavender, I'll get peppermint for free. Awesome. You can get all of them. You can get multiples of them. These are great gifts. So thinking about holidays, what can you give that's meaningful and impactful? This is something that you could do as well. If you don't have a doTERRA account, then I will put a link that you can use to get your account. You get the discounted price, so you get these at 25% off the wholesale price, and you can purchase products for up to a year at that discounted price. And also, if you have a doTERRA account already, you have a referral link. So if you have friends or family that have been getting products from you, you can send this to them. Just let them know there's BOGOs. If they want to check them out, they can purchase whatever they want through your link. It gives them a free account, so it weighs the $35 membership with doTERRA and gives them the discounted 25% off. So that's awesome. Be a friend, share your link. And then if you do have an account, the best way to purchase these is through your loyalty rewards program. And the reason why that is you'll get the BOGO prices, but you'll also be able to get between 10 and 30% back in product credits. So you're getting points with the purchase as well. And any orders that are 100 PV or more, and you'll have to see that product value, that you will get free shipping on that. And if you aren't a member and you're wanting to get these through either my link or somebody else's referral link, then if you'll get the free shipping at 100, and then 150, they're going to throw in a free diffuser. So that's awesome. Just wanting you to know that those things are also available for you. And if you reach out to me personally, I have a promo code that you can use if you're wanting to get started that will add on some additional free products, and then you get a welcome packet from me and some awesome support to help you to learn how to use them. So get your BOGOs. You can check below that you can see like the different ways to use them, and also you can get the ebook that will help you to use them once you get them in your home.